The earlier question we solved, the question we just solved now, is known as accursive sequence, and it is under sequences and series, which we have treated earlier. So in this particular sequence, there is no regular progression in the increase in the terms of the sequence. If you look at this progression of the earlier question we solved, it was increasing by an addition of square of natural numbers. What are the square of natural numbers? 1 square, 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square, 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. 10 square, 100. 11 square, 121. 12 square, 144. 13 square, 169. 14 square, 196. 15 square, 225. 16 square, 256. 17 square, 289. 18 square, 324. 19 square, 19 square, 361, and 20 square, 400. 21 square, 441. If I continue, I can do that up to 40 or more than that. Now, I want to tell you, anytime you see all this kind of sequences, it is called accursive sequence. The only thing you need to do is to find their differences. Second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third, fifth minus fourth, and look at the way it is progressing. And you can now know, sometimes it can increase by addition of prime numbers. It can increase by addition of odd numbers. What are odd numbers? We did it earlier. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. It can increase by addition of even numbers, and so on and so forth. So for the second question, we did percentage earlier. A percentage is defined as what? A particular change in that difference of initial and final term divided by the what? By the initial times 100%. In this particular question, they were talking about increment in salary. The salary of a man increased to 90,000. Calculate the percentage increase in the salary if the former salary is 60,000. It means that the salary of the man used to be 60,000, and that man's salary now became 90,000. The difference in the salary is 90,000 minus 60,000, which is 30,000. That difference is called increments. Increment of salary. The increment of salary is 30,000. Of course, we know it's the difference between what? Initial salary deducted from the what? From the final salary. Because final salary is now 90,000. It was being paid 60,000 before. The salary was now increased to 90,000. So it was increased by 30,000. That is the meaning of increment. Now, what is the percentage increase in salary? Percentage increase in salary is equal to increments over original salary. This is where students make a lot of mistakes. Times 100%. Now, I used to explain this severally in most educational setting, that when you're talking of increment, the change in what? When they say percentage increase or percentage decrease, change in the change in that item they are talking about. Here they are talking of salary. So change in the salary between 60 to 90, the change is 30,000. Now, what is the original salary? The original salary was 60,000. So your original salary here is not going to be 90,000, because that's the final salary, not the original. So the increment was what? 30,000 divided by original salary was 60,000. This is the real definition of percentage. You don't use 90,000 times 100%. 0, 000 cancel 000. 10 cancel 10. This is obviously half. Half times 100%, it's going to become 50%. So the salary was 50%, and that's what? Option D. The salary was increased up to 50%, or it was increased by 50%. So it means an addition of 30,000 to the salary of 60,000 to make it 90,000 is an increment of salary by 50%. That is it. Thank you.